Hi guys, it's Dwayne here, and today we're back with our updated list of smartphones under 12K released in the second quarter of 2024. Our list offers devices with ample memory and storage, great battery life, and reliable performance. While features like good cameras and the like should be on the pricey side, we'll try to give readers options without breaking the bank. But before we start, we have to mention about three things. First, the phones listed were released strictly within the second quarter of the year. The list features smartphones strictly released in the Philippines that fell within our set budget at the time of writing. And lastly, the list has phones that have a suggested retail price of under 12,000 pesos. Anyway, let's dive right in. First on the list is the Vivo Y28. It's an all-around device under the entry-level segment. Fair enough, it's got a great look for its price. The Y28 sports a 6.68-inch LCD panel with a refresh rate of 90Hz. Powering this fairly new release is a Helio G85 chipset. It has a storage option with 8GB of RAM with up to 256GB for internal storage. It also has a hybrid SIM slot that supports microSD cards should you need extra space. The device is equipped with dual rear cameras consisting of a 50MP main shooter and a 2MP bokeh camera. At the front, users will get an 8MP shooter for selfies. However, I think the biggest strength of the Vivo Y28 is its large battery. The phone packs a huge 6,000 mAh battery with 44 watts of wired flash charge technology. This phone is rated for up to 22 hours of activity based on our battery test via PCMark. We also have a video on the Y28's battery marathon that you should definitely check out. But anyway, kudos to Vivo for consistently developing affordable and all-around smartphones. The Vivo Y28 has a price that starts at 7,999 pesos for its base storage configuration that favors performance and battery complemented by what feels like a premium design. Next up, if you are a fan of Nokia phones back in the day, you should definitely take a look at the HMD Pulse Pro. It's a budget-friendly smartphone that offers something unique, which is device repairability. Yep, you heard that right. Apart from that, the phone has a decent display, processor, and cameras with affordable parts you can find online if ever you need it. Check out the HMD Pulse Pro available at Lazada and Shopee for 8,399 pesos. Plus, HMD will provide updates for the device until Android 16. Not only is it thrifty, but it's also future-proof, so go figure. But if viewers are looking for a device with decent performance, handy features, and an insane battery, look into the realme C65. The phone has a 6.72-inch display panel with FHD+ resolution and a refresh rate of 90Hz. Like the Y28, it also has a Helio G85 under the hood offering consistent performance. Storage options are also similar with 8GB of RAM with up to 256GB of internal storage. MicroSD cards with up to 2TB are also supported if viewers find this lacking. For cameras, the device has dual rear shooters. This consists of a 108MP camera and a 2MP shooter. It also has an 8MP sensor at the front. As you can see from our sample shots, the photo quality from the device is pretty decent. Colors were vibrant with small quirks dependent on available natural light. On top of that, the C65 also packs a sizable 5,000 mAh battery with 45 watts of super fast charging technology. And in our video loop test, the realme C65 was able to provide more than 24 hours of media playback. It's not too shabby for gaming either, as it lasted 11 hours and 30 minutes in our gaming test. Having reviewed the phone myself, I can vouch that it's a good pick to be your next daily driver priced at a modest 9,999 pesos. Moving on, the Oppo A60 is a perfect choice for those who value toughness and durability for smartphones. The phone offers military-grade shock resistance and KK6 glass protection. For display, the A60 has a 6.67-inch HD Plus LCD with an adaptive refresh rate of up to 90Hz. This runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 with 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage. It has a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main and a 2MP secondary shooter. For selfies, it's equipped with an 8MP sensor. The A60 also packs 5,000 mAh of battery with 45 watts of wire fast charging support. As per our review, its battery was able to provide us with 26 hours and 27 minutes of playback through our proprietary video loop test. The Oppo A60 is built like a tank, with its prices starting at 9,999 pesos. Next, we have the Infinix Note 40 4G. It sports a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel, which is rare under this segment. Powering this phone is a Dimensity 7020 with the storage config of 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. For optics, the Note 40 is equipped with 3 rear cameras. These include a 108MP main camera, a 2MP shooter, and a unspecified AI sensor. It also comes with a 32MP front camera. The Note 40 takes surprisingly good shots considering its price range, and can even shoot up to 2K resolution at 30fps. In addition, the phone has an ultra-steady stabilization mode locked at 1080p video recording. The phone itself has a 5000mAh battery, 33 watts of wired charging, and 15 watts of wireless charging via Infinix MagCharge. From our experience, it offered 13 hours for general use and multitasking, and 16 hours for multimedia consumption. I should also mention that the Infinix MagKit comes with the device. This includes the MagPad and a nice case that supports its wireless charging feature. Our consensus is that the Infinix Note 40 4G is a great pickup for users who want a thrifty, all-around device with a sweet AMOLED screen. But wait, the middle child of the Note 40 line has a 4G variant as well. The Infinix Note 40 Pro 4G has a curved AMOLED panel with a refresh rate of 120Hz. The screen is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, which is nice to find under this price range. Under the hood, the phone has a MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate chipset, which offers 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The Note 40 Pro sports triple rear cameras, which include a 108MP main camera with OIS, a 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. It even has a 32MP shooter at the front for selfies situated in a hole punch. The phone stands out from the other devices in the battery department. It packs a 4600mAh battery with 70 watts of wired fast charging via USB Type-C, and even has 20 watts of wireless charging support. The Infinix Note 40 Pro 4G was made to be very power efficient as well. It features Infinix's Cheetah X1 power management chip, which helps it charge and use power at an optimal level. Other features include the Infinix MagKit, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and 4G/LTE. It also has an IP53 rating for dust and splash resistance. To address the elephant in the room, the Infinix Note 40 Pro 4G is priced at 10,199 pesos. It's currently sold out in Lazada as a hot item, but viewers can still find it in Shopee. Last but not least, we have the Tecno Camon 35G with its base storage configuration. The phone has a smooth 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a refresh rate of 120Hz. It also runs on the Helio G99 Ultimate like the Note 40 Pro. The base model offers 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The Camon 30 features dual rear cameras consisting of a 50MP main shooter with OIS and a 2MP depth sensor. In addition, users also get another 15MP camera at the front in the hole punch. It even packs a 5000mAh battery with 70 watts of wide fast charging to boot. The Camon 30 series provides consistent performance, a premium design, and great cameras. Even if its vanilla variant is priced at 11,999 pesos, I'd like to think that it's not too far from its premium models. So that wraps up this list. Which phone do you think is the best pick? Share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to hit like and that notification bell for more of our videos. Also, please follow our socials at Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, and visit us on our website at yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Dwayne signing off. Bye!